Hello everyone, welcome to another video on this channel. We're going to talk about Tesla again. Now, we did a video on this last week and there we discussed the potential scenarios for the stock, where the support could be or where the resistance could be. And as you can see, today has been a very volatile day and we are approaching a very important support zone, and it is the 20-day moving average, which is currently at 237. Now, you might ask, why is that such an important level? Well, as you can see right about here, the beginning of May, on Monday the 8th, we surpassed that level, the 20-day moving average, and then it was the big support for the upcoming week, and then we had the nice big move coming up, and ever since it has stayed above that level. And just like the nice run up in January, the close above the 20-day moving average was eventually the trigger for the large move. So it's very important for the stock to stay above that level. Now, interestingly, what I was thinking was that there might be a situation that we are going to cross below that level intraday. And an ideal scenario is, for example, when this average line moves like this, that we are somehow going to close this gap, the gap that exists from the 8th of June till the 9th of June, and that we're then going to close still above that 20-day moving average to close the gap, find the support, and start moving back up again. Now, that could be a possible scenario we're going to see the upcoming days. I mean, look how volatile it is. This stock has moved around $15 today already intraday, so it can move a lot within one trading day. Now, if we do not find support there, let's say we do close below the 20-day moving average. The last time we did that, we eventually found support at the green line, which is the 50-day moving average. And as you can see, that's far down. It's at below 200. So that means we might still fall back around 20% from these levels. And that's quite a lot. So it's going to be really important for the stock to stay above that 20-day moving average, or at least close above that level. Now, if we can close above, let's say markets are going to move up a little and Tesla's going to move up further, of course we do have the big resistance line, which is this blue line I drew last time, and it's basically all the highs from the previous runs up in November 2021, January 2022, and April 2022. And that level is currently at around 297. So let's say $300. I do also think that closing above the $300 is definitely going to be the psychological level for Tesla to break above that level and to squeeze or just generally move up even further. Now, when we look at the weekly, we do see that there's also some support at the green line, which is currently at 209, but still that's again 10-15% lower. So there's not too much of support for the stock at all at these levels. So I think for Tesla investors, if you are day trading, this could be a really nice entry point. But maybe if we're going to drop below, it could also be a trigger to sell the stock for now and buy back in when we touch the green line again. Now, trading Tesla is usually following the technicals a lot. Also, for example, this nice bull flag we had that started in February and lasted until May was a very technical trade. Also, the breaks above and the breaks below the 20 and the 50-day moving average all are like textbook trading. For example, here when we drop below the 20 and the 50-day around September 2022, it was the big resistance line for months to come. And when we finally broke above it, it meant the start of the move up, and again in May as well. So I really like Tesla, trading it technically, trading it from the book. I really like that a lot. And it's also why Tesla is definitely on top of my list of stocks to trade. Also, not just because it's a great company, but also because I really like how it moves. And there are really nice gains to be made from trading in Tesla. Now, in short, we have the support that's approaching really quickly, so we might even break it in this week. If we find support there, I do really think that we are ready for another leg up. Of course, we're gonna have some resistance at the high of earlier last week at around 275, but if we break that as well, we can definitely attempt to break the big bull, like one of the biggest out there on the stock market. And even if you zoom out to like the weekly, you can see it more clearly. This will be the ideal move up, finding support at the 20 and then breaking here. And then at this stage, trying to get and break up to an all-time high above 400. I mean, it's still far away, and We first need to find the support at the 20-day. If we don't, we're gonna probably fall back to at least the 50 days. So be aware of that. Can also be, of course, a nice buying opportunity for the stock again. So, I mean, even if the stock goes down, it always gives new opportunities to average down or just add to your portfolio. So I wouldn't be too worried yet about that. First, let's see if we can stay above the 20-day. Please, in the comments, let me know what you think about Tesla and what it's going to do the upcoming days and weeks. Also, let me know if you want to see other stocks being discussed on this channel. And last but not least, please give a like and also please give a subscribe. Would be really appreciated. And then I hope to see you all the next video.